Before this shed was here, my entire patio was full of stuff, like entertaining people becomes an issue, all those sorts of things. So it's just opened up my social life again to be able to have people over and have a respectable backyard because I'm able to store all the things that I keep everywhere. So going through most competitors, the pricing was just unbeatable. So we found like a major reduction in cost, but quality definitely wasn't compromised from what I could see. And the ease of use in terms of putting it together was incredibly good. It wasn't hard at all. The amount of instructions that came with it was very simple. I was able to put something like this up by myself with minimal help, which I don't think I would have got the same experience purchasing from a competitor. Definitely secure, definitely watertight. This is a very high like foliage area. We get a lot of sticks, a lot of leaves falling from the trees behind it, but it stands up quite well. I mean, it's been here for 12 months and hasn't got a dent in it. Easyshed was pretty good online. Like everything just points you towards like the quickest options that are going to be relatable to the choice that you're picking. And it was incredibly easy to deal with the whole procedure of purchasing the shed. I had really good customer service on the back end of purchasing it as well. Lots of follow-up and questions about the area where it was going, if there was any issues with me getting it put up and things like that, which I found was really good as well. I didn't have to prompt anybody. I was contacted pretty quickly and immediately, so I was very happy with that as well. One of my mates came around and thought it was incredibly nice and he needed something similar but a bit smaller at his own place, and that's when I was able to recommend to him an Easyshed because of how easy it was to order, purchase, put up yourself and obviously live with. So it's definitely an Easyshed.